Class 8th B, welcoming you all to Arias News Channel. Top news headlines of this week are some school news. UT First Result Declaration or PTM was held on 11th August in Raj English School for classes PG to 12th. Kajri competition was held in Raj English School on 7th August where the students of class 8th and 9th participated. CBSE related news. CBSE Class 10th Compartment Result 2024 Re-evaluation, Marks Verification, Answer Book Photocopy dates out at cbse.nic.in. CBSE's exam plan to ease pressure on Class 5-8 students. National news. India committed to ensure conducive habitat for elephants by PM Modi. At least 7 people killed, several injured in stampede at Jehanabad's Baba Siddhant in Bihar. International news. US publicly announces submarine move to Middle East amid Israel-Iran tensions. Pilot dies as helicopter crashes into Australian hotel roof, sparking evacuation. Entertainment news. Shah Rukh Khan confirms his next film is Sujoy Ghosh's King has age-centric role. Wednesday Season 2, cast, plot, release details and everything revealed so far. Sports news. PT Usha throws Vinesh Fogart under the bus to defend IOA medical team. Player coach responsible for weight management. Neeraj apart, Indian athletes mostly a letdown in Paris. Educational news. UP suspends digital attendance system in schools amid criticism from Akhilesh Yadav. Direct struggles to fill up RTE seats like stress of state. Other news. Kolkata cops to question 3 doctors of hospital where woman was raped, murdered. 5 students dead after truck vehicle collision in Tamil Nadu. Let's meet after a break. Let's know the headlines in detail. School news. The UT First Result Declaration and PTM was held in Raj English School on Sunday, 11th August for classes PG to 12th. The Kajri competition was held in Raj English School in which students of classes 8th and 9th participated and students of classes 10th were the audience. CBSE related news. Central Board of Secondary Education has released CBSE 10th Compartment Result 2024 Re-evaluation, Marks Verification, Answer Book Photocopy dates. The official notice is available to candidates on the official website of CBSE at cbse.nic.in. The CBSE introduced Shuffle, a new exam cycle for classes 5 and 8, focusing on core concepts over rote learning. It aims to reduce exam pressure. National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday, August 12, 2024, reaffirmed India's commitment to doing everything possible to ensure elephants get a conducive habitat. At least 7 devotees died and several injured on Monday, August 12, 2024, in a stampede at the Baba Siddhant temple on Banwar Hillock under Makhdumipur block of Jehanabad district of central Bihar. International news. US Defense Secretary Lord Austin has ordered the deployment of a guided missile submarine to the Middle East, the Pentagon said on Sunday, as the region braces for possible attacks by Iran and its allies after the killing of senior members of Hamas and Hezbollah. A pilot was killed early Monday morning when their helicopter crashed into the roof of the DoubleTree by Hitchcock Hotel in Cairns, Australia. Entertainment news. During a conversation by Gloria Nazaro, artistic director of the Locarno Film Festival, discussed his career and achievements. He opened up on his preparation work for his next Film King and his collaboration with filmmaker Sujoy Ghosh. The most viewed English show, Wednesday, is back with its Season 2. The first season premiered on November 16, 2022 and reminded people of the Addams Family where they grew up watching. Jenna Ortega fit right into mold of Wednesday and the series was an instant hit. Some sports news. Indian Olympic Association IOA President PT Usha on Sunday pointed the finger at Vinesh Fogart in response to the criticism directed towards the IOA medical team, especially Chief Medical Officer Dr. Dinshaw Pardivalia, saying that in sports like wrestling, weightlifting, boxing, and judo, it is the responsibility of the athlete to manage their weight. Neeraj Chopra entering the pantheon of greats was the only silver lining in the Indian track and field performances at the Paris Olympics. Avinash Sehgal was the only other athlete from the country to make the final in the 3000 meters steeplechase where he finished 11th. The squad of 29 athletes has launched in Paris with fanfare but failed to live up on the hype. Some educational news. The Uttar Pradesh government has suspended the implementation of the digital attendance system in state-run schools followed controversies and criticisms. The state and with it the Pune district is struggling to fill up RTE seats, and recent statistics said that out of the 105,242 seats available for admissions across 9217 schools in Maharashtra, only 60320 students have been admitted and 44922 seats lay vacant. Some other news. Kolkata police will question an intern doctor, 2 trainee doctors and a housekeeping staff member of Kolkata's RGKAR Medical College and Hospital over the rape and murder of a trainee doctor whose body was found in the hospital last week. 5 college students were killed in a road accident near Trotani in Tiruvallur district, Tamil Nadu on Sunday evening. 2 students survived the accident with injuries for which they are receiving treatment of the hospital. That's all, and thanks for watching.